Yeah, that was in the first 5 minutes. So I don't know. I was completely anxious because I haven't been here, surfed a contest in 3 years. So to be able to be out there when it's 4 to 6 foot range and absolutely firing down the point, I wanted to make sure I was on the best waves of the day. And it's kind of a longer period swell, so I knew the bigger ones were out there. You just had to wait for them. And I ended up breaking my leash, and it was just everything happens for a reason. When I broke my leash, it gave me the time to come in, run around, relax, and get out and then straight into the 10.
Jordy is running a turn, what an exchange. This is hard to watch the Wimbledon as we sweep backwards and forwards. I would write this down, all eyes on Jordy. He is below the big turn. Then you take Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to put them all together. Yes, Jordy Smith taking off on her absolute bomb. Jordy, wave two, here he goes, unlocking the second one. It's a challenging section, he's behind it. Don't tell me to make some tune. That was near impossible. Jordy Smith 80s Pro Neutro, lots of leg strength, cracks it through there. That was near impossible, but now he hits for impossible itself, and it's a bit flatter. And he has landed it, good it out. Oh, come on. Come off the top. Let's get a line up for us on this front end. Well, there we go, Cole's another one now. He was just waiting for the wave to load up, and he goes roof floating, he goes paints the roof tiles. Now up for another one. Big carve, that one's got a little bit of quick drift on it. Now got a little layback version of it, okay. Now it's the ball, there's a little tube on offer. Yeah, sure.